Alright, we should be recording. In the previous lab with cobalt nitrate, you should have calculated the molarity of this. This is the cobalt nitrate stock solution. We are going to use volumetric pipettes, a 10 ml and a 5 ml, to create dilution solutions. The first one, in a 25 milliliter volumetric flask, we're going to put 5 mLs of our stock, then 10, then 15, and then 20 in the fourth container. Once we have those dilution solutions, you will need to figure out the concentration for each one. We are going to then use our friendly Spec 20 to figure out what our absorbance or transmittance is for each one of these, and then from that we are going to determine the concentration of an unknown cobalt nitrate solution, solution B, sitting over here. So our ultimate goal is to figure out the concentration of B. We're going to use it using Beer's law. We're going to make a Beer's law graph, and from that graph you will be able to determine the concentration of our unknown. So let's get started. For our first set of dilutions, we are going to put 5 mLs of our stock solution. Not that much, people. There we go. Is a line that we want to be at with the meniscus. So 5 mLs is going in our 5 ml container. The rest of that container will be filled with, you guessed it, DI water. Up to its mark to make a total volume for the solution of 25 mLs. So for our next container we're going to put in 10. Then in our next solution, we're going to put in 15. So I'm going to use a 10 and a 5. And for our last, we are going to put 2 10s in there to make 20. saying to yourself, did he put the 5 mLs into that 15 one? No, he didn't. So let's do that. This would be so much more exciting if you got to do it yourself. So, we need to fill each one of these up to our mark with DI water. This is the 5 ml. And we are going to mix that up really well. That's our 5 ml. Just about got that one. Get him out of here. There's our 10 ml. There's our 15. As soon as I put a little DI in there to get him where I want him to be, there's our 15. And finally, there is our 20. All right. We have made all 4 of our dilutions. Tap back on our stock solution, setting back. We will remember to mix these up a little bit. And then we're going to move over so you can see the spec 20. And our spec 20 is needing to be zeroed a little bit because I opened it up. So remember what we do with our spec 20. Hopefully you do. You have to zero with the DI water. And what I'm going to do over here while you're not seeing this, and you're staring at the spec 20, is I'm pouring in 2 separate test tubes, a sample of each of our dilutions. So in one test tube is going to be trial 1, test tube 2 is going to be trial 2. So in order, I'm going backwards. So the first set of test tubes is going to be the 20 mLs. Second set is the 15s. The third set is going to be from our 10. And our fourth set is going to be our 5s. And I'm doing a 5th set with our stock solution because we want to double check that, and it gives us one additional data point to grab. Excuse me. And our final session is going to be our unknown. So here we go. Remember what to do. Into the slot is our DI water. And we're going to adjust to 100. And then we're going to begin our sample. So remember, this is the 20 ml sample in, and you should record that transmittance for the 20, trial 1. All right, rather than just doing the second one, we're going to go through and we're going to go down the line. Whoops. Uh-oh. And when you pour to, you do that.